These plants are looking a lot better now. 2 days ago, they looked like this. Sometimes we give our tomato seedlings a little bit too much love, and this could happen. These are overwatered. You can tell the branches are heavy. The leaves, they're kind of soggy. They're not dry. If they were underwatered, these be kind of crunchy. The first thing you're going to want to do is get this plant out of this container. We're not using that anymore. If your tomatoes are overwatered, this root system is going to feel kind of soggy. Mine do not feel very soggy, just in the top portion, but we're going to want to dry it out anyway. I start by just breaking up these roots a little bit. Not too much. Just enough to get some of the dirt free. Next, you want to grab some newspaper. We're going to take this newspaper and we're going to wrap these roots up with the newspaper. This is going to suck up all that excess water. This newspaper is going to start feeling kind of damp. We're going to leave this plant set here for about an hour or so in a cool and somewhat dark place out of the light, and check back on it in 1 hour. After an hour's passed, you should be able to feel some moisture in this newspaper. We want to get some more water out of this, so we're going to unwrap it. And we're going to use the other side of the newspaper and do the same exact thing. Another hour in darkness. While I'm waiting, I got this new pot ready. Filled it with some potting soil. Got a hole in the middle dug where the seedling's gonna go in. I'm not sure how good the plants would have done if I just put them back in here after they were dry. So, figure might as well move them to something a little bit bigger. It's not as big as I want it to be. Probably gonna use 5-gallon buckets for some of these. Some of them are gonna go in the dirt. But these are rare giant crimsons, so I didn't want to take any chances with them. This new dirt's an important part of this, so I'd suggest moving your seedlings up to something a little bigger as well. It's been an hour, so now it's time to put this plant in its new temporary home. When you plant tomatoes, you want to bury the stem because it's actually going to grow roots off it. So I'm going to take this branch here and carefully snap it off. I'm going to leave this one. I probably could take that one off, but for now, I think we're good. I've probably got this plant set about 6 inches deep in here. I want to bury this stem all the way to this point, just below these leaves here. You don't want these leaves touching the dirt, so I just took a couple sticks in a V shape, set them in the dirt, and now they're holding up those branches. Then I give them just a very small amount of water. I'm going to move this plant to a cool, dark space for the next 24 hours, and we'll take a look at it tomorrow and see what it looks like. And look at that. 24 hours later, it's even holding itself up without the sticks. These ones are doing pretty good too. I hope this video helps you rescue your tomato plants as well. Thanks for watching.